guys, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Makhan and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, we're gonna make beef burger. So let's start. It's a very simple guys. We will cut burger bread 1 by 2, mayonnaise, iceberg, sliced tomato and jalapeno, and you can see our burger patties is getting ready with cheese. So now guys, we will put on the top of jalapeno and tomato slice. This our burger patties which we kept before on the salamander. So on the top of burger patties we will keep beef bacon as well as which is grilled already, and now we will cover by a second bread. So you can see almost our beef burger has been ready, and now it's a french fry. We will serve with the french fry aside. So you can see our alakart beef burger with the french fry. So it's ready for serve to the guest.